Hello class, Mr. Young here with our very last content chapter of the school year, Chapter 23, Rise to World Power. This is the U.S. basically coming out of its shell and forming its own power, although in a different sort of way than Europe does. So we start off 4-lesson chapter. It's a lot about sort of the age of imperialism. If you were with me last year in World Studies, we learned a little bit about the whole world carving up basically the third world and colonizing it. The USA formed its own sort of empire in the Western Hemisphere, but by a different means. So we're going to learn all about that. We'll learn a little bit about the rest of the world, the imperial powers, forming colonies and things like that, and then how the U.S. does it and does it differently, and how the U.S. reacts to when that sort of imperialism encroaches on their territory. Lesson 1 is called Seeking New Frontiers. We talk about how the USA changes policy, and people thought about, are we isolationists, are we expansionists, and we talk about our interests in Latin America, how we acquire Alaska. I think we talk about Hawaii as well. Oh, yep, there's Hawaii in lesson 2. Talk about the last queen of Hawaii and Samoa, rivalries in China and strained relations, things like that. Lesson 3, Spanish-American War. That's the lesson. We go over Spain, over some turf in the Western Hemisphere. We'll see how that pans out for Spain. And Latin American policies, lesson 4. What is going to be the United States policy towards our neighbors to the south, down there in Central and South America? That's the chapter. It's 4 lessons. When we're finished with the chapter, we've got a little fun assignment here, the Strange History Web Quest, and then we're starting our research paper, which will basically take us up to that. It's the next to last week of school. It's all around Memorial Day. And then we close out the school year with some real easy stuff, some real chill assignments that last week of school. That's where we're at right now. We'll talk more about that paper later. Go on, move to the next page, knock out the vocab assignment, and we'll get it started on Chapter 23, Lesson 1 tomorrow. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one.